Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge the AC in a Nissan Titan. Start by gathering R134A, a gauge set, leak detector, and gloves. Park the truck, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery for safety. Identify the low side service port under the hood and inspect hoses for damage or oil stains. If you find a leak, repair it before adding refrigerant. Always work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Next, diagnose the AC system step by step to confirm it needs refrigerant. Turn the engine on and set AC to max, then note if the compressor cycles on and off. Attach the gauge, set to the low and high side ports, and record steady pressure readings. Compare those pressures to typical values for the outside temperature to determine if refrigerant charge is low. If pressures look normal, your issue may be electrical or mechanical. When you are ready to refill, begin by purging the hose to remove air and moisture. With the engine at idle and AC on max, open the low side valve and add R134A in short bursts while watching the gauge. Pause frequently to let pressures equalize and avoid overcharging the system. After reaching correct pressures, close valves, disconnect tools, and inspect for leaks. Finish by reconnecting the battery and confirming cold air at the vents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.